How to create a new group on Telegram. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how you can easily create a new group on your Telegram. So the first thing is you need to launch the app and your homepage should look something like this. Now what you need to do is if you scroll up, then you will see these options right here at the bottom, the pencil icon and the camera icon. Now, in order to create a new group, you can just tap on this pencil icon and you will see a new message right here. Now you can text your friend from here, or to create a new group, you can just tap on this new group and search for people you want to add. Tap on the name, and once you do that, just tap on this arrow right here. And if you click on the tick button, and here it will automatically create a new group. So as you can see, to edit your group name, you can go here and on the pencil icon, you can rename the group, and your group logo will be by the initial of your group name. So to set a photo, you can tap here and choose a photo from your gallery as well. And here you can edit all of these steps, the group type and your chat history, everything. You can turn on your topics and your reactions. You can edit your reactions as well and edit the administrators. You can add admins, app members, and if you set all of these, then finally tap on this right here and all of your settings will be saved. And after you do that, your group has successfully been created. You can send any message right here and the people in the group will get the message. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any updates. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.